All right, it's Taylor's goat, but we got a little surprise for Clove and for Taylor. We decided to make some playground equipment. Hopefully Clove likes it, and hopefully Taylor's surprised that we are helping with her project, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna help little Clove out with some old pallets we had laying around. I already took part of this one off just so we could make a front porch so they can get in and out of the shelter after we moved it. It's sitting up a little higher than it used to be. Let's show that real fast. Clove, you say hi to the camera? Wag your tail. Boop. So now we're going to use the rest of this and make a little playground. We don't have a lot of room in that pen, but goats love climbing and jumping, and we're going to give her something to practice and build her muscles and her dexterity and just be able to play on. So let's see what we come up with. My assistant is going to take this pallet down the way we did the other one. We've got two sturdy legs here, so she's going to cut right down the side of that, and that'll give us about a half a pallet. This is your first time on the Sawzall. Are you ready? I'm going to help hold this thing steady. Take this piece we cut off, and I'm going to cut off just a smaller piece so we can make a second level. I'll have to borrow legs from the other one, but right now I just want these two, this span between these two legs here. Woo! I'm vibrating. All right. This is going to give us just a smaller second tier for her to hop up and down on. But I need legs on the other side, which we're going to borrow from this piece.
More cutting, yay.
All right, now I'm just prying this other leg off. Maybe. Always got to watch out for those nails. Makayla, don't walk over there. All right, that is going to give us the other leg to our little platform. You can see I switched saws for some of my cutting. This is for my helper to screw the legs that we just pried off the other piece onto this one, so we have a sturdy top tier. Now that's done, we got to decide where we want to mount tier number 2. Do we want it over here on the end, or what do you think?
I think in the middle.
You think right in the middle? So she can climb up from either side, and if she wants to jump off of the top tier, she can go off the side instead of the end. Okay, let's do it. Upside down, got it lined up. She's just screwing the base platform up into the legs of the top tier. All right, kid, flip it over and let's see. Hey, looky there. It almost looks like some sort of picnic table. All right, I think it turned out just fine, especially for just some scrap pallet wood. So we're going to carry it down and see if Clove will play on it. All right, let's just lay it right over here. What do you think?
I think it's really cute. I think she's gonna have a lot of fun on that.
Hope so. We'll try to catch her playing on it and see how she likes it.